Amr, a slave freed by Hazrat Muttalib, narrates that Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu says, we reached Khaybar, and when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bestowed the victory of Khaybar on him sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the complines of Hazrat Sophia, the daughter of Hay bin Akhtab, whose husband was killed in the battle and was still in bridal dress, was mentioned before the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam chose her as his wife. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam set out along with her till we all reached Shehba, and she became lawful for him. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam consummated marriage with her. The hairs, a kind of meal made of dates, cheese and ghee, was served on a small meal sheet. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then asked me to call all around me. So it was the wedding feast of Hazrat Safiya from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then when we were about to set out for Medina Munawwara, I observed that he, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, spread a sheet for Hazrat Safiya behind him, and then sat beside his camel and placed his knee near the camel, and Hazrat Safiya rode stepping on his thigh. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4211.